Welcome to our paint booth. We're going to try today and paint a cap on the front bumper for the headlight washer. So the part looks like this. It's for a Sharan 7N and the code is this one. And this is about 35 euros or something like this. And it comes unpainted. Although they say that it's paint ready, there are some chips, if the lens can catch it, but there are some very small chips here, like this one. Anyway, we have a magic sponge and we have the bottle of water also. It's not cold water, it's a little bit hot, let's see, heated, just a little bit. So let's see what does this sponge does actually. It works like a very fine sanding paper, but extremely fine. I don't know, probably like a 3000, maybe even more. And yeah, you can find it online, it's quite cheap. And let's see if we are able of hiding these very small spots. In theory it's working without water also, but I think it's better like this. And the scratching, it's wow, indeed. I hope that you can see this. I'll try to make some light. Now it looks way better. Way better. So here I cannot feel anything anymore. You can see here the spot, but I cannot feel it. And here it's perfectly flush. You can see something, but it's flush. Okay. And now one of the most important things are to be cleaned. Don't leave over here any grease, not even from your fingerprints, skin, whatever. You're not allowed to have it. So for that one, we are going to use the surface cleaner or alcohol. So you can use whatever. Oh yeah. And I wipe it with a this microfiber. This should be perfectly clean at this moment. So the first thing that we are going to do is use a primer. I know they are saying that it's ready to paint, but yeah, it's small. The primer will be actually ready in about 10 minutes. So 5 for the first, 5 for the second, and we're done. Yeah. Let's start. And you can see front bumper, so we are okay. Hope that's enough. Let's test it. It's transparent. We're going to start with a very thin first coat. Alright. So we'll get back in 5 minutes. Let's see. It does look nice. Okay. Let's try the second one. Okay, so this was the second coat. Cleaning the spray. And yeah, see you back in 5 minutes. And we're back. Let's see what happened. It does look very, very good. At least I think so. I like it. All right. And now we're going to use paint. It's R7H for Volkswagen. I don't know if it's a special order or whatever, but you send your code to the company and they will ship you a can like this with the color of your car. I didn't have a chance to test it, but I've used them in the past for my other car, which is red. This one is gray. This is the code for gray. And it's good. It's exactly the color of the car. So I hope that this one is also the same. And yeah, we need to shake it a little bit, and afterwards they say something like, I would try to translate. Clean very good and degrease the surfaces. So we've done that. Shake the bottle. We're going to do that, and then so it says that you need to spray the contents from a distance of 25 to 30 centimeters, and to avoid marks, apply in multiple layers on all directions, so up, down, left, right, whatever, at intervals of 1 or 2 minutes. So we are going to try and do exactly as they say. It doesn't say how much time I need to shake it, but I will shake it for a minute or two, and yeah, we'll see. Let's test a little bit the color and the spray. It looks quite blackish. I really do hope it's gray. I mean, yeah, another reason for not being able to test it is because, you know, on a sheet of metal, it's going to look a little bit different than on a cardboard box like this. But yeah, let's put some light on it. Maybe. Yeah, it seems to be gray though. I hope so. Otherwise, we will need to redo the process and to sue somebody. I'm just joking. So let's do the first coat. Stop. Oh my God, it's so nice. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. I really do like it. I like it. And it does look like my car. And it seems to be like some flurries inside of it. It's nice. Okay. So 1 or 2 minutes, and then another coat, and then another coat, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's try the second coat. The second coat, it still looks good. It really does. And it seems to be the color of my car, but we're going to see it after we mount it up. You're going to see it's a very, very easy process to mount it, to fix it over there. So yeah. And not to bore you a lot, when we are done with the paint, then we are going to use a clear coat, of course for protection. How does it look? Nice. So we have 2 coats. Should we do one more? Let's do one more. And let's try to put some colors on the edges also. looks good. See you in 10 minutes. And we're back. Oh my god, it looks nice. I can still see the cracks, those two things but they are so small. Okay, so now I'm going to shake a little bit the clear coat and then we can proceed. So, see you back in 2 minutes. How many clear coats? So let's see. So single coat is for light protection and a subtle gloss. One coat of 2K clear may suffice. I don't know. Yeah, so it should be enough. This is suitable for touch-ups or minor refinishing, so we're not there. Most automotive professionals recommend applying at least 2 coats of 2K clear for optimal protection and a good level of gloss. This is considered a standard practice, so we're going to go with 2, but additional coats. If you're seeking an exceptionally glossy finish or extra protection, you can apply 3 or more coats. However, be cautious not to overdo it, as excessive coats can lead to orange peel texture. So we're going to go with 2. Okay, so again the first spraying is going to be on a box. I know it's transparent, it's clear, but yeah, still I want to see that it's working. Yeah, it does look glossy. Ooh, and the smell, oh my god. Wear a mask or something. This one is like, oh my god. So let's see the first one. Stop. So, see you back in 10 minutes? Yep, will do. And then another coat, and then we're done. So 10 minutes are up. Let's see how it looks like. It looks good. Let's give it another coat, and yeah, see you back when mounting it on the car. And that's done. And now you can see the finish. It's not perfect, but it's perfect for me. I hope that you can see it as good as I see it, or as well as I see it. But it looks good, and it has a glossy finish. I hope that it's not going to be like very visible, meaning to have a very big difference between this cap and the car itself, but yeah, it's got a little bit of orange peel, let's say, but it's not yet fully cured. So yeah, we will see tomorrow. So I will not leave it here outside. I will bring it in the house, and tomorrow we're going to see what we've done, and also the mounting procedure. I will try also in this that will have a bracket on the side. I will try to make a very, very small hole and fit a cable, and yeah, try not to lose it again, and fix the cable on the washer itself. Let's see if that's going to be possible. I will explain. Alright, so this is the place where we need to fit it, and for extracting the nozzle you don't need any special tool. You just put your fingers inside and you pull slowly, and it will be out. And as you can see here on the right side and on the left side, there are two, I don't know, thingies on which we need to put these ones here. So it needs to click here for everything to be in order. So I've invented this one, let's say, to put it here around this, and if it wants to fall, to hang, let's say, not to lose it. So okay, so let's try it. First of all, I'm going to mount this, and afterwards the rest. After fitting it, we are going to check the color also to see if it's good or not. But as a first glance, it does look perfect. So this should be the direction. Let's see. It's going to click. Okay, so we have 2 clicks on the left, on the right. Now something like this. And now let's see the color. It looks nice.
Perfect.
It's absolutely perfect, yeah. And now we are going to test it. I'm going to go inside and run the wipers and the water. Hopefully this will come out and go back. Let's see if it stays like this. It seems a little bit tough to put it at the line, but yeah, let's see what is happening. Doesn't fit perfectly. Yeah.
And that's a problem.
Yeah. So after a few tries, it seems now that it's going to be flushed, going to stay in order here. But yeah, we will do more tests, and also, let's see, running tests. So yeah, hopefully we will not lose it. And if there is an issue with the bumper or with this one, but yeah, seems to have the same distances here, but still sometimes it doesn't. I've tried 2 or 3 times, and 2 out of 3 it goes back correctly. But yeah, but anyhow, thank you for watching, and you can do it also. It's fairly easy, not expensive, and thank you.